Growing a business is exciting. You're focused on your product and growing customers, hiring employees, and increasing revenue. During that time, legal issues get pushed to the bottom of the list. The problem is that small legal mistakes made during a company's growth phase can become very expensive later on. Today, I'm going to share 5 legal mistakes growing companies make all the time and how you can avoid them. So let's jump in. Hiring without the right agreements. Your first few hires can make or break your business, but too many founders hire employees or independent contractors without clear written agreements. Every agreement should clearly define compensation, confidentiality, ownership of work product, and what happens if the relationship ends. A well-written agreement protects both you and the person you're hiring and prevents misunderstandings before they become legal issues. Once you've built your team, the next mistake often happens when founders start signing contracts too quickly. Landing a new customer feels like a win, and many founders sign contracts as quickly as possible. But buried in those contracts may be automatic renewals, unlimited liability, one-sided indemnification clauses, or payment terms that hurt your cash flow. Never assume a contract is standard, even when people say it is standard. Every contract allocates risk, and it's important to understand exactly what you're agreeing to before you sign. Even if your contracts are solid, there's another area where founders unintentionally expose themselves to significant risk, and that's using your personal credit card for business expenses. It may seem harmless when you're starting out, but commingling personal and business finances can create accounting problems, tax issues, and make it harder to demonstrate that your company operates as a separate legal entity. Open dedicated business accounts, keep clear financial records, and treat your business like a real business from day one. Now let's talk about something that many founders overlook until an investor or a buyer asks for it. Poor record keeping. Many companies are missing basic corporate records. Maybe they never documented issuing founder shares. Maybe they never approved important company decisions. Maybe they can't even locate signed agreements. When investors perform due diligence, these missing documents become red flags. Keeping organized documents makes fundraising, financing, and selling your business much smoother. Finally, here's one mistake that often costs founders the most money: waiting until there's a crisis. Many founders think hiring an attorney is something you do after receiving a demand letter or getting sued. In reality, that's when legal advice becomes the very most expensive. The smartest founders bring in legal counsel before major decisions, important hires, fundraising rounds, or significant contracts. Preventing legal problems is almost always less expensive than fixing them. Legal planning isn't just about lawsuits. It's about helping your business grow with fewer surprises. Growing a business comes with enough challenges already. Don't let preventable legal problems slow your company down. If you need any help with any of these documents, I'm very happy to help you do that. Thanks for listening.